What's up, everybody? I fished this creek a few times last year and it was a lot of fun, man. There's a bunch of aggressive little sunfish and brim, tiny little creek bass that are a blast to catch, man. So we're gonna try to get after it today. The goal would be to catch at least two different species, which I think is pretty possible. I got some tiny little creek lures to try out, a couple new Rooster Tails, a black one, a white one. I think they're 1/16 ounce or 1/8 ounce, something like that. But anyhow, we're gonna figure out what works. I'll tell you all about it at the end, and we're gonna get after it. Let's see what happens if we make it shorter. Or I just ruined it. I'm gonna have to get another grub, which is fine. I have plenty of grubs. Oh, got one. You angry little guy. Species number 1. Yay. There's a deep little hole right there. Holy smokes. Ooh. A nasty cottonmouth is sitting right there. Ugh. Ugh. Hate it. Ugh. Yeah, he's underneath that log now. Gross. All right, we're gonna give him a wide berth. I don't mind snakes. Particularly don't like the venomous ones. Ugh, but I've seen him, I know where he's at. And so long as he kind of hangs out in that area, we will be okay. There's a fish. There's a fish. Come on over here, buddy. All right. Looks like we got ourselves another healthy red-breasted sunfish. See if we can actually get a hold of that guy this time. There you go. Pretty little brim, sunfish. Putting you back in the water. Ow! He speared me on the way down. Oh, and it's not even safe to go wash my hands. Anyhow, that's fish number 3. I think that was the second red breast. And we got one brim for sure. All right, so 2 species. We got to get the bass. We got to get the bass. Yeah, I know these reels are way too big for what I'm doing, but it makes it fun. Oh, I'd blow up. There he is, got a fish. That one feels heavier. That might be our bass. Oh. No, we got another sunfish. That one is fat. Look at the belly on that thing. Boop, 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 boop. All right. Number 4. Bye-bye. All right. Oh no. Went into the tree. Come on now. Come on now. Well, the cool thing about the spinner is I can let it sink to whatever depth I want. Whereas the little wake bait, which absolutely just gets hammered, can only stay like right above the surface. So I feel like a lot of times those bigger fish sometimes hang out just a little bit lower. Of course, I might have caught everything that wants to bite in this little hole. Got a fish. Got a fish. Oh, that thing is moving. Got a fish. Got a fish. Come on up here, buddy. All right, that is not a red-breasted sunfish. Easy there, buddy. That is not a red-breasted sunfish. That for sure is a bluegill or a brim, which means I definitely have 2 species now. Bye-bye. With the rear treble hook, I can also get really snagged with this thing though. There we go, fish on, fish on, whoa, fish on, fish on. Get over here, buddy. Woo, look how pretty that one is. That thing is awesome. Come here, you and your little... Couldn't have ate my grub, could you? Here's a better look at that guy. Whoa, bye-bye. I'm going around to the rocks over there, and if you come after me, buddy, yeah, you go home. Go home. That's 2. Heebie-jeebies, don't like it. You stay over there, and we will be okay. You come any closer, or you come after me, I have to shoot you. Alright, I just need to concentrate on getting my butt over there. So there are 2 different water moccasins that live down here. Note to self. Last year I only saw the one, which I'm pretty sure was this one. It was hanging out in this same area, floated down that separate little adjacent creek. This year I have seen 2. All the ponds I walk, I never see snakes until I come to a creek. Anyhow. Fish on. Fish on. In the snake-infested waters, we got a fish. Woo! That's a big one. There we go. There we go. There's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, it's not that pretty speckled one. Tiny little sunfish. Thank you. Big swirl. Whoa! Whoa! Whew. Okay, sunfish coming back up. Golly, that scared the crap out of me, dude. I heard him splashing, and I just assumed snake. Ah! This is that big one that got away, and I guess he wanted to be upstream, so we're gonna put him back upstream. Holy smokes, that scared me. Man, I can't believe that fish did that to me. Fish on. Fish on. Yes. Another red breast. Come on out of there, you. I don't even know how many red breasts we've caught at this point. Man, you guys are feisty. A lot, to say the least. If we could get our bass on the board, we'd be doing all right. We'd be doing all right. No, I'm not complaining. These guys are a ton of fun to catch. There's a fish. Man, it is almost every cast in here. Yes, look at that one. That might be almost the biggest one of the day. All right, y'all, we are packing out. It was a lot of fun. If you have not taken the time to explore your local creeks with the Rooster Tail, you're really missing out on a lot of fun. The little panfish are super aggressive this time of year. I would suggest picking up some Sawyer spray for the ticks. And if you don't have snake boots, that's probably a good idea too. I saw at least 2 water moccasins, maybe a third. But anyhow, it was worth it. The fish are biting. Y'all have got to try this. An inline spinner, and If that's not working, a little curly tail grub on a 1/16 ounce jig head will do the trick. I was throwing both those on 6-pound test and it really did the job. It was a lot of fun. Y'all go try it, leave it better than you found it, and we'll see you on the next one.